We are in Vegas again. This time my mom's behind the camera and we're gonna show you this room again. This is the Augustus Tower, but this time it's 2 queens. So on our left is the bathroom. Still the same bathroom right here. We haven't used it yet because we're staying here only for 1 night. So shower, and then nice jetted tub, and then 2 sinks, so you don't have to fight over a sink. Very nice.
Future Jimmy here. If you are trying to look for the hairdryer, it would be underneath the sink here.
And this is, if you trail the room, it's all on your left-hand side. And then if we trail the room over to here, on the left-hand side, since I'm facing the left-hand side, here is a water closet with your toilet. So you can do your business in private, which is nice. And then let's go out of the bathroom here. On the left-hand side here, we have the closet. A little bit more squeaky on the door compared to the last one. So this is where you can find your ironing board. Your safe is also in there. And no robes, so just letting you know that. And then let's go into the room. On the right-hand side here, we have the desk, like last time. Small desk, but very good. And then we have this entertainment area, still on the right-hand side of the room. Now, same issue here. If you accidentally bump any of these, it's gonna charge you, so be very careful. Last time, I think my friends bumped it like 2 times, so I had to call down to the front desk, so yeah. And then on the bottom here, if we can find how to open it, here is, I'm pretty sure, a fridge. We can open it, there we go. There's the fridge. Again, these are on sensors, so be careful. You pick those up. And then, venturing more forward on the right-hand side is another cabinet here with all of your drawers, like the other room. Above is the TV. Here, the Samsung TV. And then right across the way, this time we have 2 queen-size beds, a nightstand right in the middle.
So there's only 1 outlet and 1 USB-A port on the lamp here. So if you are trying to plug in multiple things, maybe bring a power strip.
And then this area where you can sit down, put your shoes on. Very nice. Can't wait to sleep in these beds. Last time these beds were really comfortable, so probably gonna be the same this time. All right, and then let's go over more forward. On the left-hand side of this room, if you venture more forward past the beds, is this sitting area.
The thermostat can also be found behind the couches and near the window.
With, on the right-hand side, we have this table slash kind of a desk. This is where you can get ready, this is where you can eat. Pretty nice.
And for you coffee lovers out there, there's a coffee maker right here.
And then, last but not least, here is our view. So this time the view is not that good, but since we're staying here for only 1 day, it's not bad. So yeah, so luckily I got an upgrade to this room. All you gotta do is ask very politely at the front desk. Originally we booked I think the Julius Tower, and we got upgraded to this room. So can't wait to stay here again, and let me know what you think in the comments.